So over here, you can see that I have this particular graphics right here of a snowy mountain with some spots right here. So let's say I want to go ahead and remove some of these spots. In that case, I can copy the texture of the pixels that are over here and replace it over here. But I just want to copy the textures, and for that you can utilize something called the healing brush tool. So for that, over here in the pixel section, you can go ahead and click and hold on this particular band-aid shape let's say icon right here, and then click on healing brush tool. So now you can hold Alt on your keyboard, but let me just go ahead and select the layer first right here. So now I'm going to hold Alt on my keyboard and then take a sample from over here. So let's just go ahead and click, and then you can see that I can simply paint over right here and it copies out the texture right here. So if you actually go ahead and utilize the spots right here, you can see that it copies out these spots itself right here just like this, and you can create a clone right here just like this as well. But I want to remove it, so let's just go around over here and remove it out, and you can see that it copies out the texture and blends it in. Let me just go around over here and let's say, for example, draw out right here as well. You can change out the reference point whenever you want. Just hold Alt and click and change it and start drawing it out right here. Go around right here, draw it out. Go around right here, draw it out, and so forth. And this is what you have. You can go ahead and draw out the spots right here just like this, and then even make copies. So you can go ahead and draw out right here, and then what happens is that you got the copy right here just like this, as you can see. So that is basically how you can go ahead and utilize the healing brush tool to clone out some textures, or simply go ahead and remove out some textures as you need inside of Affinity. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.